Left more. Left. To the left. Left side. More. Left side. Looks like front of the Titanic ship. Dito pa sa kaliwa natin. Yeah, help me. Oh. So, Mama Sir, we are now in the cave. Let's around you. They have practice mountain. According to the geologists, Ma'am Sir, itong ating cave po ay this cave was formed from the volcano eruption. Ito daw po ay doon po nagmula po ang lahat. This mountain is uplifted, itinag pataas ang putok ng bulkan mula po sa ilalim ng tubig. Hello? Kaya po Ma'am Sir, nagkaroon po ng passage po under the Simple Mountain, cause po ng lava ng volcano, dito rin po diba po sa ilalim, and the water inside the cave is slightly 6.5 acidity according po sa mga geologists. Hello? In the limestone cave, like the PPUR, are formed when groundwater have become slightly acidic from absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It slowly dissolve the rocks along cracks in the fractures, very much like at water melting a block of ice. In time, an ice room and the long passage are formed. Ganito ka rin water, thousands of events of million years to enlarge the cracks into what we are passing through now. Mapasin po ninyo, Ma'am Sir, ang loob po ng cave para pamalato ito kung mga bloke ng yelo. Katagal po ng panahon, ito po siya na-dissolve po ng water, unti-unti siyang kinakain ng tubig. Dahil sabi nga po nila, ng mga sa about study, itong ating tubig sa loob ng cave ay combination brackish water. Kaya ito po ay isa po sa unti-unting kumakain po sa gilid ng limestone. Pero yan po hindi po agad-agad mangyayari, matagal po ng panahon. Sabi nga po nila itong ating mountain is still growing, continue po yung pagtaas. Habang ilalim po ng cave, unti-unting lumalawak, dahil po unti-unti po napuputo lang ilalim po ng mga bato sa dadaan po natin. Lalawak po siya ng lawak, sir and ma'am. Hindi po magko-close. Opo. Ito po ay unti-unti pong nahihila pataas.
Pwede ba dumami yung limestone?
Sir?
Pwede ba dumami yung limestone sa loob?
Dumami yun, ano, sir?
Yung limestone?
Opo, sir. Because po, sir, kasi, sir, inside the cave, they have 11 minerals. Yan po. Yan po yung mga 11 minerals po ito, sir, ay na-form po ito siya dahil po sa daloy ng tubig. Yung dumadaloy po ng tubig tumutulo, yan po merong kasamang calcium carbonate o calcium carbonate na tinatawag. Yun po ang nag-iwan po ng content layer, yun po ang nagiging rock formation.
So yun yung naging limestone, no?
Opo, sir.
Calcium carbonate.
Kaya iba't iba po yung kulay sa loob ng cave na ito, yung mga bato. Yan po, down slowly, sir. A little right. Up slowly. That one looks like hanging pupo. Inverted pupo hanging upside down. The difficult situation. Yan po. Sabi ko po sa akin na namin, sir, yung unang tao po nag-explore ng ating cave, wala pong iba kundi si Dane Worcester. Po wrote in 1887, siya po yung unang-unang nakapasok po dito. Siya rin po nagbigay ng unang pangalan ng ating cave. The original name of this cave po, ma'am, sir, ito po ay St. Paul sa Piranhan River National Park. Ikinumpay niya po yung name po na yan, the famous St. Paul Cathedral mula po sa Europa, sa London. Tayo po ay nag-change name ng pangalan. Siya po ay ginawang Puerto Princesa Underground River para makilala kung saan lugar po matatagpuan. And the park was established March 26 po, 1971, open in the public. On November 11, 2011, the Puerto Princesa sa Piranhan River National Park has been declared in the one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Others included the Amazon River in South America, Halong Bay in Vietnam, Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Jeju Island, Komodo Island, and Table Mountain in South Africa. Especially included this cave, the Puerto Princesa sa Piranhan River National Park in the one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Tayo po ay nabihan sa 7 wonders, November 11, 2011. Oh. Yan po sa ating harapan, meron po kayong liwanag nakikita. Yan po ang nagpapatunay, ma'am and sir, na may butas pa. Oh. Diyan po natapos sa ating tour sa 1.5 kilometers. Kaya sa inyo po lahat, ma'am and sir, congratulations. We are here now in the Puerto Princesa sa Piranhan River National Park in the one of the new 7 wonders of nature. And now, we consider survivors. Oh, tayo po ay sigurado na. Sir, thanks to holding the light. Because of you, we find ways. Oh. There's the light, sir. Nag-enjoy po ba lahat, ma'am and sir, inside the cave? Everybody enjoy?
Yes.
So, babalik po kayo next time. Wag lang po bukas kasi pagod ka. Thanks God, we survived, we made it. Oh. Sir, nag-enjoy kayo sir sa loob?
Yes,
Balik kayo
I
sir ha. Wag lang bukas po kasi pagod pa kayo sir. Okay, before we go down, ma'am and sir, check your personal belonging, ma'am and sir ha. And we have optional picture again for survivors in our left side. Kaya sir and ma'am, look to the left.